Hi there, today I am going to show you different kitchen pretend sets for girls. Are you ready? Look at this beauty. It has so many things, vegetables to spoons, to fork and bread. You can play around with it by pretending different ideas. Now look at the set here, I like its color. Wow, it also has pretend eggs and electric connections to it. Now here comes the mini water dispenser. It is so cute. You can also practically use it for water. What do you say about it? It is so funny. This set is a full pretend cooking set. With artificial meat and cutters, you can play awesome with it. This pink set is a home pretend electric set. It's also very cute. This is a veggies cutting set. So many fruits and veggies. Now this is a toy coffee set. Do you want some coffee? I love coffee. Look at this beautiful washing set. Girls will love it, and there is so much to learn. Wow, this is a fridge set with so many fruits and veggies. A cooking set here. Wow, a burger set. That looks nice. A washing set.